In this video, I'll show you how to transfer an IRA from Vanguard to Robinhood using the mobile app. This allows you to move your retirement account into Robinhood without withdrawing the funds or triggering unnecessary taxes. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon and go to the Retirement or IRA section. Before starting the transfer, make sure you already have the correct IRA account created on Robinhood, such as a traditional IRA or Roth IRA that matches your existing Vanguard account type. Next, look for an option called Transfer Account, Move Retirement Funds, or IRA Transfer. Tap on it to begin the process. Robinhood may ask you to choose your current provider, so select Vanguard from the list. After that, enter the required details from your Vanguard IRA account, including your account number and account type. Robinhood may also ask whether you want to transfer the entire account or only part of it. Carefully review all the information before continuing. In some cases, Robinhood may request a recent account statement or additional verification documents to process the transfer. Once submitted, Robinhood will begin the transfer request with Vanguard. Some investments may transfer directly into your Robinhood IRA, while others could be liquidated and transferred as cash depending on investment compatibility between the platforms. Transfer times can vary and may take several business days or longer to complete. You can usually monitor the progress of the transfer directly from the retirement section inside the app. Before transferring, it's also smart to review possible transfer fees, investment restrictions, and whether any existing positions may need to be sold during the process. And that's how you can transfer an IRA from Vanguard to Robinhood. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.